Oscar, it's Stefania. Sorry, I am late.
Hi, Stefania. No worries at all. How was your flight?
It was pretty smooth. Thank you. Just a few minor dailies.
That's good to hear. Have you picked up your luggage yet?
Now, Jet, I'm heading to the baggage claim area now.
All right, I walk with you.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Look, there seems to be a bit of a line on the baggage claim.
Yeah, I see that. Hopefully, it won't take too long.
If it does, we can always for assistance from the airport staff.
Good idea. I'll be sure to ask if needed.
Do you see your luggage over there?
Yes, I think I see my suitcase.
Great. Do you need help in lifting it?
No, I've got it. Thanks.
Just let me know. You need any help?
Will do. Thanks again,
No
Oscar.
problem at all.
By the way, my ride is waiting outside.
Perfect. Let's go. Will you drive there?
Sure, let's go. Thanks for accompanying me, Oscar.
You're welcome, Stephanie. Have safe a trip.
Goodbye, Oscar. Thanks again.
See you later, Stephanie. Take care.
Hi, Oscar. It's Stefania. I'm here for our lunch reservation.
Hi, Stefania. Welcome. I am glad you could make it. Please have a seat.
Thank you. This place looks lovely.
Yes, it's one of my favorites. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. What do you recommend?
Well, their pasta dishes are excellent, especially the carbonara, or we could try.
Both sound delicious. I think I'll go with the carbonara.
Great choice. I'll have seafood risotto then.
Oh, and can we start with some garlic bread and as an appetizer?
Of course, garlic bread sounds perfect.
Excuse me, we're ready to order.
Sure. What can I get for you?
Well, start with an order of garlic bread, please. And I'll have the carbonara, while my friend here will have the seafood risotto.
Got it. Anything to drink? I have glass one white wine, please.
And I'll have a sparkling water, please.
Excellent choice. I'll be right back with your drinks appetizer.
So, how's your day been so far?
Pretty good. Just busy with work as usual. How about you?
It's been hectic too, but I'm glad we could find some time to catch up over lunch.
Me too. It's nice to take a break and enjoy good food and company.
Definitely. I've been looking forward to this all week.
Well, I'm glad to make it happen. There's good food and good company.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Very good.